What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status. This is a simple and effective way to make your statuses more engaging and personalized. First, we'll be using the Instagram app to create a story with music, which we will then save and share to our WhatsApp status. If you haven't already, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your device. Open the Instagram app and create a new story by swiping right or tapping on your profile picture at the top left corner. This brings you to the story creation screen. Now, to add music to your story, tap on the music icon above. This will open a library of songs for you to choose from. Feel free to search for your favorite song or browse through the list. Once you've found the perfect song, tap on it to add it to your story. You can then preview the song and adjust which part of the song plays on your story by dragging the audio wave. Tap Done when you're satisfied. After adding the music, tap on the three dots or more options at the top right corner of the screen and select Save to save the story with music to your camera roll. This is a crucial step as we'll be using the saved video for our WhatsApp status. Now, exit Instagram and open WhatsApp. Navigate to the Status tab and tap on the camera icon to create a new status. Here, choose the video you just saved from Instagram from your camera roll. You can preview it, add captions, or edit it further if needed. Once you're happy with how it looks, simply tap on Send to share your music-enriched status with your contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully added music to your WhatsApp status using a clever workaround with Instagram. This method not only enhances your WhatsApp status, but also allows for a more creative and personalized way to share moments with your friends and family. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.